they're getting beach ready. So beautiful sunny day, 21 degrees, really nice, and it's only 10 o'clock, so not really going to wear the proper motorcycle attire, but we are literally going up the road. Oh, but that's where most accidents happen. Yeah, but I think we'll be good. Not going to be hooning around.
Story goes that every generation has one. Some damn soul cursed to ride the earth.
Alright, the bike's all locked up. Let's go and enjoy some sunshine. Nice. Just one of the many beaches along the coast of the south of France. And there's Mel, relaxing. As close to the sea as you can get. Look at that, beautiful. Look at this. Yeah, yeah. Oh. We'll get a coffee. Yeah, yeah. How amazing is this place? There we go. What's this? I don't know. Not too empty, really. There we go. Yeah. Saint Tropez. Alright, this isn't the really touristy bit, but I saw this on the map and I thought this has to be where we need to go. You know, just our own private little beach that we can actually ride on. I mean, how cool is that? How about that for an introduction to Saint Tropez? We're going to go back in a minute and go to the town and the harbour and where all the wealth is, but this is incredible. Look at these guys on electric surfboards, glider boards, whatever they're called. They're pretty cool. Just incredible. I tell you, the moment I sort of stopped driving in south of France, you know, moment we got just near the campsite, I was like, wow, I love south of France. I just love the south of France, and I really do. The more time I spend here, I'm like, even Mel, you know, she loves Italy, but she's saying she could live here really easily. Look at these guys here. Look at that. How cool is that? So yeah, she's saying she could live here. I could easily live here. Just the atmosphere and just the vibe, the atmosphere, everything is so nice. It's not too crazy, it's not too fast paced, it's got a chilled out, sort of really chilled out vibe to it, and it's just beautiful. It's a really nice place. I'm so happy here. So will we come back? Quite possibly. Jeez, I just found out that next month there's a big Harley Davidson event in Saint Tropez. I was like, shit, I didn't know that until I got here. Mel was going, do you want to come back? I was like, I can't get the time off work, but you know, a little bit of construction over there, but they're always doing something here. They're always building, they're always maintaining. Everything is so clean and fresh. It's beautiful. Very happy here. Famous Brigitte Bardot statue in Saint Tropez. Can't really read that, but Brigitte Bardot. Yeah. And over there's an amazing place, the Chanel house. It's really quite something. Have a look at this. It's like a shop, I think. We've got Hotel de Paris with someone with very exclusive parking there. And then look at this place. Apparently it's closed because they're doing some work, but Quite impressive for a shop, eh? House of Chanel. I don't know why people are having their photo taken there. Must be something to the French. There's a bike with my jacket and helmet locked to it. And we are in Saint Tropez, if you didn't guess. So we just got back. It is like 6:30. We've been out for hours. Put loads of miles on the bike. Went all the way to Saint Tropez. Wasn't really impressed by Saint Tropez, believe it or not. Maybe we completely missed what we were supposed to see. But yeah, wasn't impressed by Saint Tropez. Seems a lot of it is so exclusive and it's all sort of kept hidden away by the locals. They own like half the beaches there, so you can't see much. There's a big port and everything, but yeah, big harbour, but yeah, wasn't really impressed. Some of the twisties through the mountains were fantastic, and all along the coastline, absolutely amazing, but yeah, wasn't impressed. Front tyre went down on the bike as well, so watching that now, because it just seemed to be getting lower, so maybe there's a slow puncture or I don't know what, who knows, but that wasn't good, so I had to get that pumped up and then call it a day. But shattered. Gonna sleep well tonight, that's for sure. Only in south of France where you see a beautiful old castle and these beautiful yachts. In Cannes. It's a different world. It's a great world. Wow, this is nice. Look at this. How cool is this? Wow, look at this. We're in the south of France. You're in Cannes. You're by the sea, surrounded by beauty. You got to have a little treat.
Just gonna take your first.